Ew, it just blinked at me. And this drum is brought to you by True Fresh. It's the one product that you need to make sure your drums stay clean and smelling fresh. That's all that you need in here. Now this guy, that's another story. Let's go explore that. I'll show you the product. All right, so True Fresh is taking care of the drum. The drum's clean, but I need to show you this. I have, where's that brush? I found it. This is going to take care of this travesty that I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so today is laundry day and I actually need a flashlight. You will not believe what exists down that hole. All right, hold your horses. This is supposed to be a high efficiency, really nice, what is this? Samsung, LG, whatever it is. Look down that hole. So this is literally down the pie hole. Do you see that? This is where the soap goes. It's supposed to be clean. That is what exists down there.
No, it's not supposed to be clean.
No, it's supposed to be clean because soap goes down this. Detergent,
yes,
harsh chemicals.
It will build up. It's not supposed to be clean.
What's it build up? So that means the soap is dirty?
No, the soap is dirty. It just keeps building. It's just like leaving water in a bottle. For like
no,
a few
but
days.
we can leave soap in a bottle. It doesn't do that. Soap.
Yeah.
Okay, our bleach is contaminated. Our detergent's contaminated. Almost.